Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, I wrote this article, how to install Kubernetes on Windows 10 a year ago, but I later found that many things are very troublesome to install on Windows. So today I write an article how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu. Okay, first step, install cubactl. Download the latest release, just copy paste. Remember, make the cubactl binary executable. Then move the binary into your path. Then test if the installation was successful. Okay, show this. The following message appears like this or this. This is normal because Minicooper has not been installed. Okay. Optional cubactl configurations. Integration issue. Add cubactl to your initial file like this. Plugins here. Cubactl add and save. Okay. Restart terminal, then auto-complete using the tab key like this. Tab key, press. See? Okay. The second step, prepare install Minicooper. To check if virtualization is supported on Linux, run the following command and verify that the output is non-empty. Just copy, paste. See? If there is a red text, it means virtualization is supported on your Linux. Okay, nice. Before installing Minicooper, we first install VirtualBox. The VirtualBox is driver, has many drivers. Now I use VirtualBox. Okay. Reminder, if your operating system is Windows, then you install VirtualBox and then install Ubuntu in VirtualBox, and then if you install VirtualBox in Ubuntu, you will find that you cannot use the following command. Okay? Because it's no longer possible virtualization in virtualization. You can only use the following command. Set driver now. Okay? You can also specify the VM driver. Now, the third step, install Minicooper. Continue to install Minicooper. Download and standalone binary and use later. Just copy paste. Easy. Here's an easy way to add the Minicooper executable to your path. Start with VirtualBox by default. Okay, just copy like this or this, because VirtualBox is default. Okay. This step will take a long time. Please be patient. Okay, it's done. Successful. Easy. And check cubactl. See? Successful. Okay, now enjoy Kubernetes. If you like my video, remember subscribe to me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.